In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a URL domain to HubSpot, providing a step-by-step guide to get your domain integrated seamlessly into your HubSpot account. Whether you're setting it up for the first time or simply looking to streamline your existing workflow, this tutorial will help you navigate through the process with ease. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the main hub for our task at hand, the user guide section on HubSpot. To do this, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and type in the HubSpot URL. Once you're on the site, log in if you haven't already. It's crucial to access the correct part of HubSpot to manage your domains effectively. So let's aim at the right spot from the beginning. Now for the second step, direct your attention to the settings section. Once you've logged into your HubSpot account, look for the settings icon, often styled as a gear. Clicking on settings will take you into the backend where all the essential tools and options reside. This is where you can customize various aspects of your HubSpot experience, and it's here where you'll take the next critical steps on connecting your domain. With settings open, the next step involves locating and clicking on the content section. Now you're a few clicks away from finalizing the domain connection. Here, content management comes into play, allowing you to effectively manage the way your content and associated domains operate within HubSpot's structured environment. Following this, in the content section, focus your attention on the Domains and URLs option. This is where you'll gain access to the necessary settings to hook or link your domain to the HubSpot platform. This feature lets you add new domains or manage current ones, aligning them perfectly with your HubSpot content strategy. Whether you're adding fresh URLs or managing existing ones, this section will be of utmost importance, ensuring your domains are up and running correctly with HubSpot. Through these clear steps, you'll have your URL domain connected to HubSpot smoothly and efficiently. Remember, navigating HubSpot's robust platform may seem overwhelming initially, but with a bit of guidance, it quickly becomes second nature. Each step of this process is designed to integrate your online presence seamlessly with your HubSpot activities. Take a moment to double-check each step, ensuring each click is correctly made, and in no time, your domains will be synchronized with your HubSpot account. Thanks for tuning in, and we hope this guide helps make your HubSpot experience even more productive and aligned with your goals. If you have any questions or need further clarification, please feel free to leave a comment below and we'll be more than happy to assist you further. As always, happy managing!